Most people leave this smoky $3 can gathering dust in the back of the pantry, but it is actually the secret to restaurant-quality flavor. Today I am showing you how one single ingredient transforms a basic breakfast sandwich and a classic meatloaf into gourmet meals. We are starting with a bold Chipotle breakfast sandwich loaded with fresh tomato avocado salsa and the crispiest sweet potato fries. Then we are moving into pure comfort with a juicy meatloaf, smoky collard greens, and the creamiest mac and cheese you have ever had. The secret that ties both together? Chipotle peppers in adobo sauce. It is inexpensive, it lives in your fridge for months, and it brings that smoky, spicy depth that makes people think you are a pro. First up, this vibrant tomato avocado salsa comes together in about 5 minutes and instantly makes everything taste brighter and more expensive. We are using ripe tomatoes for juicy acidity and creamy avocado for that rich buttery texture and healthy fats. Add scallions and fresh cilantro for bright herbal notes, and a couple spoonfuls of mayonnaise to give it that smooth, restaurant-style creaminess. A good squeeze of lime juice keeps the avocado nice and green and adds a zesty pop, plus a generous crack of black pepper. If you want it to match the chipotle heat in the sandwich, stir in just a tiny bit of the adobo sauce from the can. Dice, slice, chop, and gently fold it all together. Set it aside so the flavors can meld while we build the rest. Forget everything you know about boring morning eggs, because this chipotle spread is about to change your breakfast routine forever. Toast your English muffin or favorite bun until it is golden and crisp while you cook some bacon until perfectly crispy. Fry an egg with a runny yolk for that luxurious bite, but feel free to cook it however you like best. The game changer is the quick chipotle spread. Just mix a few tablespoons of mayonnaise with 1 or 2 teaspoons of the adobo sauce. It takes 10 seconds and turns a regular sandwich into something special. Spread that chipotle mayo on both sides of the toasted muffin. Layer on the crispy bacon, the fried egg, and finish with a big, generous spoonful of our fresh tomato avocado salsa right on top. On the side we have these crispy sweet potato fries. Cut them into even pieces and toss with oil, salt, and paprika. My pro tip for serious crunch? Add a light dusting of cornstarch before cooking and do not overcrowd the pan. Bake or air fry at high heat until deep golden and crispy. They are the perfect sweet and savory companion. If you think meatloaf is just dry cafeteria food, this smoky adobo glaze is here to prove you wrong. In a big bowl, combine ground beef with breadcrumbs, a beaten egg, onion, garlic, Worcestershire, and salt and pepper. Add a good spoonful of chipotle adobo for that smoky depth. Mix gently with your hands and shape it into a loaf. For the glaze, mix ketchup with a little brown sugar and another spoonful of adobo for a sticky, caramelized, slightly spicy crust. Bake at 375 degrees until it reaches an internal temperature of 160. It stays incredibly juicy and flavorful. While the meatloaf bakes, let us knock out the sides. For the smoky collard greens, wash and chop the greens, removing the tough stems. In a pot, sauté diced onion and garlic with a little bacon or smoked turkey for deep smoky flavor. Add the greens, some chicken broth, a splash of apple cider vinegar, and red pepper flakes. Cover and simmer low and slow. At the same time, make the creamiest mac and cheese. Cook elbow macaroni until just al dente. Make a quick cheese sauce with butter, flour, and milk, then stir in lots of shredded sharp cheddar and cream cheese. Season well, toss with the pasta, and if you like a golden top, add more cheese and broil until bubbly. Once everything is ready, plate it up beautifully. This stunning sandwich with the salsa cascading over the side is pure restaurant quality. And the meatloaf plate? Juicy, smoky, cheesy, and soul-warming. All thanks to that one humble can of chipotle peppers. Take that first bite of the sandwich and enjoy the crispy bacon, creamy chipotle mayo, and fresh salsa hitting all the right notes. Drop a comment and tell me which one you are making first. Give this video a thumbs up if it made you hungry. Subscribe for more easy recipes that actually taste this good. And hit the bell so you never miss a new one. Thanks so much for cooking with me today. I will see you in the next video. Take care and enjoy every bite.